Alright, here we are again, guys, and just in the process of renovating our galleries here at the Abraham Lincoln Library and Museum. As you can see, we're revamping our galleries, putting the Assassination Gallery to the back and the Boyhood Gallery to the front. And here's some of our workers, Melanie and Chris, of course, who's actually taking a hand and tearing down some of the exhibits and fixing to relocate them to Gallery 3, which actually was Gallery 1 at one time. So fantastic, looking good. And of course these walls, the letter will all be painted in that same color pattern as you see right here, blue. And here's a good shot of the Frederick Hill Meserve collection, showing almost every photograph ever that was taken of our man Abraham Lincoln, as well as President Lincoln. As we know, the fact is they did not begin to grow his whiskers till after he elected President of the United States of America, inspired by the one lone girl, Grace Spadell, living in Westfield, New York. Okay, so these images here are of the beardless Abraham Lincoln as well as President Lincoln. Okay, fantastic. Alrighty, going to sign off for right now, and then we'll be back momentarily at another visit. Okay, thank you.